Hey models, it's Akash Bedi and now I'm going to say about string theory. In the 20th century, scientists gave us two theoretical frameworks to study all the fundamental forces of the universe. The one is the quantum mechanics and the other one is the theory of general relativity, which was given by Albert Einstein. Quantum mechanics helps us to understand the small particles and their interaction with each other. It gave us a huge number of particles which was quite difficult for us to remember. And second is the theory of general relativity, which helps us to understand what is gravity. It helps us to understand the interaction of mass and the space-time curve. However, quantum mechanics alone cannot unify all the four forces of this universe. It can only unify the three of these forces: electromagnetic force, strong nuclear force, and a weak nuclear force. And the theory of general relativity cannot include all these three forces with gravity. It can only help us to understand gravity. So, scientists studied another one theory to unify all these forces of this universe, and that is the string theory. Theory is a theoretical framework which was given by the scientists in the late 1960s to understand the building blocks of matter and mass. So it says that all of the matter of this universe and energy are made up of tiny vibrating strings which are one-dimensional, which works in the 11th dimension. So, as you can see, the strings are of two types, closed string and open string, which has a size of about 10 to the power minus 33 meter, which is the Planck length. And beyond that, we cannot further divide any length. So, string theory also gives us a weird idea that whole of this, our universe is a part of the multiverse of universes, where you can also find referred parallel as well as other universes. So, the open strings are always attached to a particular universe, so they cannot move from this universe to that. But closed strings can easily move from one universe to the other universe or to the adjacent universe. So this is the advantage of closed strings. So they can easily pass from one universe to the other. Now, in string theory, the universes are also said as brane. Now, what is a brane? A brane comes from the word membrane. If we consider this universe as a bubble inside of which we are trapped, so the surface of the bubble will be the brane. Thus, the strings are attached to the brane, that is the surface of this universe. String theory is rightly said as the theory of everything. It helps us to know about each and everything of this universe. Not only this universe, of other universes in this multiverse. So I hope that in future we can develop technology to go to our adjacent universe if there is any danger to our universe. So thank you.